In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate elements in Bubble.io, a powerful no-code platform for building web applications. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with Bubble, adding animations to your elements can elevate the user experience by introducing an engaging visual dynamic. Let's dive in and see how you can animate your elements effectively. First, you'll want to head over to Bubble's website. Once there, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. For those of you using a Google account, you can streamline the login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option is perfect if you want to save a bit of time and avoid entering your credentials manually. Once you've selected your Google account, confirm the details by clicking on Continue. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard and select the project you're working on or plan to animate. For demonstration purposes, let's imagine you'd like to animate a pop-up within your current web application. Go ahead and click on Web App to open the editor and transition to the Design tab, where you'll see all your page elements laid out. Spot the specific element, in this case, the pop-up, and determine the activation trigger. For our example, right-click on a button labeled Click Me, which when clicked by a user will prompt the animation. From the menu that appears, select the option to Start Edit Workflow. This directs you to Bubble's workflow editor, where the magic happens. Within this editor, you'll set up the action. Start by clicking on the Add Action sign, located to the right. In the search box that appears, type Animate an Element to find the action you need. After selecting Animate an Element, you'll be provided with an option to choose which element on the page you want to animate. Using the drop-down, pick Pop-up A. The next step is selecting the type of animation you desire. Bubble offers a variety of transitions, so feel free to experiment. In this case, we'll go with Transition Flip Yin. This particular animation gives your pop-up an engaging movement that flips it into view along the y-axis, capturing the user's attention. With your settings configured, you can preview your animation in real time by clicking the play button. This ensures the animation behaves exactly how you envision it. Finally, test it out live. Click on the Click Me button within your live preview to see how the pop-up animation performs in action. And there you have it, an engaging step-by-step guide to animating elements in Bubble.io. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting dynamic, interactive web applications that stand out. Thanks for watching and happy animating!